Let's subtract these two fractions. The first denominator is 21. The second denominator is 7. Use the other denominator, 7, to scale the first fraction. Write 6 times 7 over 21 times 7. That gives the equal fraction 42 over 147. Now scale the second fraction by 21. Write 5 times 21 over 7 times 21. That gives 105 over 147. Both denominators now match. Keep the denominator and subtract the top numbers. Subtracting the numerators gives negative 63 over 147. The numerator and denominator share a factor of 21. Divide both by 21. Dividing top and bottom by the same number keeps the fraction's value unchanged. That gives negative 3 over 7 in lowest terms. Final answer, negative 3 over 7.